Welcome to our channel. I'm Duncan with Steele Industries. We're going to be making a few different videos in the coming weeks covering all of our products from the RMVG to the DTMVS to the PVS-14. Today in particular, we're going to be covering our popular Night Fighter package. Our Night Fighter package can be included with any of our units from the PVS-14 to the RMVG. You can even include it with the PVS-31 Alpha 5032 from Elbit Systems. Today, we're going to be covering the PVS-14 Night Fighter package. This can also be combined with any of our tube options from thin-filmed Elbit to our L3 unfilmed systems. So let's dive in to the PVS-14 Night Fighter package. So what's included in the Night Fighter package? Let's dive right in. You get a Team Wendy bump in your color of black or tan, size 1 or size 2 of your choice. You also get a bricks and mortar noodle nut. Color of your choices include Coyote Tan, Multicam Black, or Ranger Green. In addition to that, you get an EOG counterweight. This also comes in your color of choice, black or tan. In addition to those three items, we also include a Core Survival Hellstar 6 strobe. This is the 56p LE tactical version. This is a PVS-14 Night Fighter package, so what also is included is a Wilcox standard J-arm without the switch. To mount everything to your helmet, we also include your choice of a black or tan G24. And lastly, we have in this Night Fighter package our PVS-14. All Night Fighter packages, like all of our night vision, does ship in a hard case, warranty card, stickers, your Hoffman report, your inspection report, everything like that will be included. So let's dive right into how to assemble your Night Fighter package. So let's dive into how do you set up your Night Fighter package. So to get started, let's start with the G24 from Wilcox. So once you get your Night Fighter package, you're going to open your G24 case. You're going to put the Allen keys to the side. You won't need that to install it. You're going to unwrap your G24. Here we have a black G24. This is going to interface directly with the Wilcox shroud on your Team Wendy bump. You can also get it in a carbon or ballistic SL. Those are all upgrade options on our website. To get started, you're going to make sure that on your G24 that you're going to push this lever to the opposite side. So this latch that you see here is going to be inside the device. So once you do that, you are going to mount your G24 and then secure it by moving the latch to the other side. Once you have attached your G24, you're going to move on to your counterweight. So this counterweight, like all the other counterweights, does have a Velcro backing. What you'll need to do is remove the Velcro backing to start. So the counterweight, especially on Team Wendy bump helmets, you can secure it with the included bungee system, which I will show you how to do here. Simply remove this latch, attach your counterweight to the rear, and then take this bungee system and attach it like so. You can move this around as needed, but you'll see the point once you guys get that connected. Moving along, you're going to take your Core Survival 56p strobe, and you can really put this anywhere. For us here at Steele, we really prefer to probably put it either on the top middle or towards the rear of your helmet. All the 56p strobes do have a curved backplate essentially, so you can mount it anywhere on your helmet. Moving along, I'll move this out of the way for you. Let's dive into the unit. So as always with our night vision units, you have a card, our Steele Industries custom lens pen, your warranty card information. So if you need to send it in for a warranty or a service, you would include this. It does have all your order information here on the back. our Be Nocturnal sticker. And then in this case, a PVS 14. So we're going to take the Wilcox J-arm and we're going to go ahead and mount that. So with the Wilcox J-arm, with or without the switch, you're going to use this hand knob to intersect directly into your PVS 14. Once screwed in, you're going to take your PVS 14 that you now have mounted in the Wilcox J-arm, and you're just going to intersect the dovetail into the G24. Once you've done that, it's important to then turn around, take your bricks and mortar noodle nut, and go ahead. For me, if I'm running a PVS 14, I'll go ahead and loop this. You can loop this through the PVS 14. I kind of prefer to do it a little different. I like to loop it through the G24 itself. Because if you have the G24, what's nice about this is it does have a breakaway feature. So more likely than not, if you run into anything or you bump it hard enough, the G24 is going to break away. So instead of just having the unit on it, I like to have it on the G24. So once you have it connected, you can connect it here on the right or the left. You can simply put it really anywhere at your preference on the helmet. Most people put it on the center. You can put it on the left or right configuration. Thanks for tuning into this video. If you like this content and want to see more, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below and stay notified to all of our future releases on videos. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call or utilize our live chat feature as well as our emails. And as always, be nocturnal.